In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who is the King of Kings, who is the President, in honor of this world, Mr. Establisher, Manager, Vice Principal, respectable teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to share my views on the topic about value of time in student life. Time is measured by hours, days, years and so on. Time is very important in life. No one can escape the passing of time. Time plays an important role in everyone's life. If time is invested, it could be used to develop a skill. Time is very important. It is much more important than money. It is because money once lost can be earned again, but time does not come back. The value of the time, students who complete their works and time, students who complete their works and time will in turn help them to be successful. The most important people in the world are very conscious of the time. As the proverb goes, time and tide wait for none. We should not waste our time and try to make the best use of it. Dawan Dawar, long live Afghanistan. Thank you so much.